Welcome to the free automation learning. Hi guys, this is Chirag and this is your favorite channel for the learning Selenium Webdriver. So today we will continue with our collection interface as we already discussed list interface, set interface. Now we are going to discuss map interface. For the map interface we are going to discuss HashMap class and TreeMap class and what is the difference between both of these classes, and then also I will show you how we can use this map interface with the Selenium WebDriver, because it is better to know the Java concept, but it is best to know how we can use this Java concept with Selenium WebDriver, because we are currently tutorial of Selenium WebDriver. So I'm give a demo or show the code how we can use this Selenium WebDriver with HashMap or map interface. So let me open my Eclipse. I already created a new class tutorial 13. So guys, I am going to push my all code to the GitHub. If you do not know how you can download the code from the GitHub, just go and watch my video. I already created a video for this, and also my GitHub URL you can find at video details section. So let me start about the set. What is the set? What is the map? So map is the interface which works on key and value, which works for key and value. So what is known as, what is the mean by key and value? Suppose there is in practical example, there is a roll number and there is a name of the student. So we have to store the value of by the roll number and the name of the student. Suppose there is a roll number 15 and the name of the student is Chirag. So at this condition we need to use map interface, and if we only want to store roll number or this name, so we can use this list interface or set interface. And where we want to only the unique name, suppose there is a class where there are two students name is Chirag, but we have to store only unique name person, so at that case we can use set all, or at the condition where we have to store all the name. It doesn't matter it is unique or it is duplicate or not. At that case we can use list interface, right? And at the condition where we have to store roll number as well as name, at that condition we can use interface. Hope you will understand this. What is the difference between map, interface and list? Now I am going to create a new method for this map test hash map. So I am going to create this is a key and value. So I'm going to give a integer for and string for this. So my key is integer and string is my value. This m new hash map. Same, I give integer and string. Now I'm going to put or add some value. So I'm here give you roll number 1 is for Chirag, and m dot put 2 for Deepak. In this way we can just add the value on the in the map. Now I'm going to fetch or print this value. So we has to first identify the key. So this I'm going to identify the keys. M dot key set is in this way we can identify the key. Just give me a second. Key would be an integer because this is an integer. Right. Now I am going to use for each loop to print the value. Right. Just give me a second. Now SYSO roll number is student, name student, name is. Here we have to use map m dot get, and what would be my key. So key is stored on I. So let me run this code. To run this code I have to call this method under main method I have called. Now just run this and you will see that this is roll number 1, student name Chirag, roll number 2, student name is Deepak. So how we map work? Here we just declare map. Here we add the map. Let me write this, declare the map. Add the values into map. Identify the keys and print or print the value of map. So this way it is work, right? And for the printing we have to just identify the key. Here we identify the key. For each key we just create a this for each loop, and for each loop by we just give the I. Here it is our key is our roll number, and this is roll number is 1, and the value of roll number 1 is Chirag, so it prints this is Chirag. So map interface guys only store only a unique value, it does not stores a duplicate value. So because we have used here set, that's why it's only store a unique value. So now let me explain my other. This is a tree map. So what is a tree map? So tree map is a tree, here is a tree set and tree map. So both are same. For the map we are dealing with this key and value, and set we are dealing with only a value, or you may say only a unique value. And but what is a tree? Where we use tree, this means by default tree put all the ascending order, right? Just so give me here I change tree map, right? Now I'm going to change Deepak and Chirag. Now I'm just this Deepak and Chirag, right? Now I'm going to use tree map here. So for tree map I just give you so here I'm going to give a tree map. Just give me here for the tree map. I'm giving all the string. Sorry for that. This is a string, and this is also the string. For the string, I'm just give you Facebook. Here I'm giving a Google, and for here I just remove this string, and here also I'm replace with string because now I'm using a key. So for this application name, user name, and let me run this. Sorry for just call this method before running. I'm doing the same mistake again and again. Now I will go to run, so you can see that Facebook and this. Let me on this and just change this for Google and this for Facebook. So you can see just here you can see we insert Google first for Chirag and Facebook for Deepak. Now it give me the Facebook first and Google second, because when we use TreeMap it will change the value in ascending order. So this is the difference between the HashMap and TreeMap. HashMap does not change the value in ascending order, but in TreeMap this change the value in the ascending order. So this is the difference between TreeMap and HashMap, right? So hopefully you understand what I just told you. Now I'm going to last is this show up practical, right? Now I am going to show how we can use HashMap with using Selenium Webdriver. So let me create a new class. This for tutorial 30a. In this I am showing how we can use HashMap in a Selenium Webdriver. Firstly, I am going to declare a driver. Now I am going to create a method that is set up. Here I am going to use a driver, invoke Firefox driver. Now driver is equal to manage dot window dot maximize. This is the code for maximize the window. Driver dot get. Now I'm going to open google.com, just driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicit wait. Here I set 30 seconds to wait before fail the script if some element does not present on the page. This is my setup. Now public void test HashMap. So guys, first I just get all the links for this HashMap for this Google page, and then just give the value for this key for the Google, because this all the link is for the Google, right? So first I'm going to identify lists web element list is equal to driver dot find elements by dot tag name is a. Right, now I'm going to initialize key and value. For this I'm going to use both the key and value is string new, and I'm going to use HashMap for this string, this for integer, this for this should be a string, right? Now I'm going to take a for loop for each loop web element to identify the text. So this is the list. Here I pass this list. Here I pass this list on there and take a for each loop. Now I'm going to this take ele dot get text. Just give me a string text is equal to null. to pass the value into text teaser if text is m dot put Google and the value of this should be a text, right? Now I'm going to print the value. Firstly I identify the key, so set my key value should be string s is equal to m dot get set. Now for string s is equal to s, print syso. There should be a application name is s1 and link text should be this m dot get s1, right? Just create an object obj is equal to new obj dot first call setup, second obj dot test HashMap. Let me run this code and see what would be the output for this code. It's going to open Firefox. Yes, Firefox would be open. Now go to the google.com. Yes, it's go to the google.com. It's going to download, loading. Yes, now let me see. So you see Google link, application name is Google link and about is a text. So this way we can just see. So I put this conditions, that's why only one things come. If I just remove this condition, now see how many links come. So let me close this browser and just give me a moment. I will create one more method to close the browser so that I would again not close. Start tear down. Dot quit. Just call this method here also obj dot tear down, right? Now let me again run this code and would see what would be the output. So guys, you can understand how we use HashMap by Selenium Webdriver. So this is the way we just get all the links. In this we create a one HashMap and by using for each loop we just get the text, and we just give the application name. Okay, this is the Google application, so all the links just go to the Google by stored by the Google key, and again this would be the thing. So you see that again it's just give me the this Google link text is Google, because here I used just because we already discussed it, just give me all the unique value. So here we have to give one more thing, Google underscore text. Now let me run again, because this is a Google is a duplicate key, so it just give only the one key. Now I just change the text and see what would be the output, so that the key would be changed according to the link text. Again Firefox browser is open. Now google.com will open soon. Yes, it is open. Now let me see this. See, this is a Google privacy is my key and value for this privacy. Here Google business is my key and this is for business. Google Gmail is my key and value is Gmail. So guys, by this is the practical scenario which I have shown you currently. And if you like this video, please like button. You can subscribe my channel, and if you like my work videos, just share this video with your friends. And thank you to watching this video.